let me go back to my X window. We've been talking about this first session, and I'm going to show you one other way to access SAS. I don't think you want to do it this way, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. So if you have an X11 session this previous video that I just created for eVim, we created this X11 session. So if I type SAS, just plain old SAS, here's what happens. My computer goes into deep thought for a second while it's trying to connect to SAS, and now it's going to actually load the program itself. And it takes a while. It takes a long time. And we can close this. You get a very ancient editor that I don't especially like. This is your editor. So we can type in our SAS program here, libname, sscc. I'm getting good at typing this now. So I've typed that, and then I can type in the other parts of the SAS program. And you'll notice that SAS, like VI and eVim, is color-coded. Let's get the means in there as well. So proc means data equals, I can't type very well. All right, I've typed in this program. To run it, I have to come down to this little toolbar window, and I click on the little man. All right, so this is very much like what you'll find on PC SAS, but PC SAS has a slightly better editor. I'm going to hit submit, and if we go up to this window, don't try to do a two-finger scroll if you're a Mac user. What you'll see is your log, and you want to check and make sure that there are no errors. And it looks like there are no errors. Oops. It is annoying. So let's go back here. And there are no errors. So it looks like the program ran correctly. If you want to see the listing, you come over here. And so here is the output from contents. And we could go click on that. It looks a little bit like SPSS. So in particular, we can come down to this. It's going to display everything using Firefox. And you see you have your contents, and then down at the bottom you have the means. All right, now we can go back to SAS, and if we wanted to add additional lines, we could. So right now we're on line 7. Let's go add that proc print. And we had something like obs equals to 10, meaning just print the first 10 observations. Now in PC SAS, we could just highlight these 3 lines and submit them. Unfortunately, under Unix, you cannot. So you have to submit the whole thing again. It's rather inefficient. We'd want to go look at our log. There are no errors up there. And we could go check out the print. So, and SAS is going to be, it's converting, connecting, whatever that means. And it's going to take a few minutes. So here is that revised program, and you see a print of the first 10 records. So this is another perfectly acceptable way of accessing SAS. I should probably show you how to get out. So actually first, we probably want to save this. So we'll do a file, save as, and let's call this one Siegel3.sas. You could save the log in the list file if you wanted. I'm just going to exit. So let's exit SAS. Are you sure you want to terminate SAS? Okay. we come back to the Unix prompt. If I do an ls, you'll now see that I have a Siegel2 file that was from the evim, and then here's Siegel3. So that's another possibility. Again, I recommend getting to know VI and using batch mode. That seems to be the best way.